Hi, I'm Curtis Parties and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna go over ClearScore, the mobile application, the app that tells you your credit score. This will be a video of two videos. This video is just gonna go over ClearScore and an overview of it, and the second video is gonna be everything about your credit score and how to improve it. So firstly, what is ClearScore? ClearScore is a British financial technology business founded in July 2015. It's based in the United Kingdom, so it's a United Kingdom company. If you'll probably see, there's a lot of adverts on TV about ClearScore. And the founder, the CEO is Justin, founded in 2017-2014. CFO is Grant, and number of employees is 200. So what is a credit score firstly, before we can even dive into using ClearScore? So a credit score is a score, a number out of 705. It is based on your credit report, which is recorded on how you manage your credit and how you manage basically paying back people you took money from or loan money from. So that is basically what the credit, briefly what is ClearScore and what is a credit score. In the second video, we're going to go over more detailed about everything diving into ClearScore. So let's open the app. So the app is basically free. It will be free as the advertisers for life. Get your credit score for life. So as you come into the app, they will see this is the first number you will see, which is your credit score. In South Africa, the average score is around 561. So if you are around that, above that, it means you're above the average of having a credit score, which is 561 is a very bad credit score. So this is the first number you will see, which is basically your credit score. You will have other two tabs, which is have new offers and see loan offers. So let's just continue with this. As you can see at the bottom, there is dashboard, reports, offers, protect and more. So this is the basic layout of the app. So this is probably the most tab you're going to use seeing your credit score. As you can see, there's side tabs, which is your credit score is up 5 from your last report. This is basically the loans you'll see. This is basically see more cards. This is your short-term debt total and down since the last time, and your total credit limit you have. Your long-term debt total is the amount you probably have been paying, and your next report is in about 5 days. So this is just a quick overview of the app. So this is dashboard. So we go on to reports. So reports is a little bit more detailed of that home screen you just saw. So once again, they show your credit score at the top. It shows your and it shows your area, basically your credit code area. Here you can see there's changes from the previous months. As you can see, June, you haven't had a credit score since then. July is where I started getting my credit score. You can see it went from 3 before to July, where I actually got a credit score since I opened an account at Total Sports. You can see August, it went up another 3, and the next one is in about next month, which is in a few days. Next we'll have your insights. Is this basically just review your insights and see how you could improve your credit score based for you specifically. Here you got your payment history. As you can see at the bottom is I started this year building up my credit score 2022. Your borrowing is basically just your account you have and the credit you have at that specific provider, which is in my case Total Sports. At the bottom you can see your account, which is Total Sports, and the amount, the credit limit, the current balance I do owe them, and so on. Other sections just inquiries, your personal details, and share your credit score with your family and friends if you want to see how good your credit score and share it with them. And that is basically the reports tab, also very brief. Next you got your offers tab. See, this is basically the other tab you will be using on ClearScore if you want loans. But remember, the loans on this section is just the loans on ClearScore, and the deals on ClearScore is not meaning that it's all the deals out there. So you probably get your loans tab. This is where you can filter loans based on the criteria you want. So let's just do an example quickly. As you can see, they ask your total monthly income. So just for example, let's say your total monthly income is 30,000 and your total monthly expenses is around 10,000. So now it will generate loans based on this criteria you inputted into the search, and now it will criteria search. And this will be the loans they will produce. As you can see, there's 3 products based on the criteria you had. So this is all the loans based on that. Next is the exact same thing with cards, credit cards. This is also a topic I will be discussing in the next topic of actually how to use a credit card, because a lot of people don't know how to use a credit card. As you can see, there's quite a few there. There's the exact same with car insurance. Let's just go in there. It's gonna get a quote from Hippo, and phone deals and funeral deals. The next tab will be Protect. This is basically just a tab that tells you how good your security is online based on your passwords, how many different passwords you have. See, as you can see, your security score is 282. This is just more tabs. You can see stolen passwords, report changes, security tips on how to improve it, and so on. Share your stuff with that. Next will be just basically be at the end your timeline and coaching, which is helping you also on how to improve your credit score. This will be your profile at the top, and this will just be your notifications on ClearScore. As you can see, the app is very basic. Anybody can use it. You can just probably install it and get right into it, which is very good for app, just to use, very user friendly, developed, and that is basically ClearScore. Like I said, I will be doing a second video on the more in-depth details on ClearScore of how to improve it, basically how to use the credit score and general, just more information regarding this topic. And if you're new to the channel, as always, make sure to subscribe and also leave a comment down below on any other topics you guys would like to discuss in the future. And yes, until next time, peace out.